All right, so this video is going to be a little different. I'm finally pulling back the curtain and showing you the actual process for how I was made and the process for making me move and talk for YouTube videos. You guys keep asking two things. One, how was I made? And two, how do I look like a Pixar character but real at the same time? I've tried answering in the comments, I've even dropped the prompt, but honestly, there's a whole story behind how I was made. So I figured, let's just do a full video on it. And that second question you always hit me with, what systems are used to make me move and talk? Yeah, we're covering that too. So buckle up, let's talk about it. My first avatar was based off something I made in Midjourney. I used my own picture and a picture of an avatar I already had that was made in ChatGPT. I'm going to put that on the screen right now so you can see the ChatGPT avatar and the one Midjourney made. This is the prompt that was used. A 29-year-old African-American, chubby, plus-size woman with glowing medium-dark skin and a confident, approachable aura. She has long, flowing, wavy, jet-black hair that cascades down to her waist, with red highlights framing her face and woven throughout the length. She wears glasses. She has expressive, pretty brown eyes full of warmth and curiosity, framed by full lashes. 3D, cartoon, Disney, Pixar animation style black shirt. If you want me to do a video on Midjourney, let me know in the comments. Then I went to ChatGPT to see if I could take her and get a full body shot of her because I was having issues with Midjourney doing it. Now, this was right after the 4.0 update, I believe, and I wasn't liking what I was getting. I really wanted it to change her hair to curly and do a full body shot. So after fighting with it, I was like, let me just delete this chat and start another one. So before, I was using her picture as a reference. So I clicked on the plus sign and uploaded the file of the image and was just asking it to make her hair curly and give me a wide shot. After that didn't work, I asked it to just give me a detailed prompt of the picture. Then I deleted the chat, and without the picture, I put in this prompt. Create a chubby African-American 3D stunning Pixar character with glasses and a heart-shaped face, long, thick, curly hair to her waist in stylish clothes, wide shot showing her from head to toe. And that's how I got the original avatar you see on the screen. I also asked it to put her in a business outfit and a date night outfit while I was at it, and these are what I got. I also asked it to put her at a desk, and I got this, which it changed her. So at that point, I was like, I'll try again later. Let me sit on this and see if this avatar is really what I want. So a couple days later, I started a new chat and told it to put her at a desk. These are the versions it gave me. I uploaded the avatar I made a few days before as the reference, picked the one I vibed with the most, and boom, that's the avatar you see talking in my videos. Now, just a quick FYI. The avatar in my intros is a Pixar/realistic style. So if you want yours to look like her, make sure you mention that in your prompt. And if you have Midjourney, it is great with that Pixar/realistic look. Definitely worth trying. I use all of the ones you're seeing on the screen. It just depends on what I need for that video. Now check out my wallpaper on my computer so you can see the original Midjourney avatar and the one ChatGPT made and how much they look alike. Now, how do I talk? On all my original videos, I used Hedra, and I'm going to show you how I do that using Character 3. I used to use the Legacy app, but I don't believe it's available anymore. So I'll also show you what I do when my credits are running low. I have a more detailed video on Hedra, so we're just going to run through this super fast. But first, let's run to ElevenLabs. I use ElevenLabs for my audio. Click on Text-to-Speech. Enter what you want your avatar to say, then make sure your voice is selected and the model. I use 11v3. It's an alpha. It gives the most emotions. When using this model, you'll get two outputs. Listen to them both and pick one. I have plenty of videos of me using this. I'll have them linked below. After you choose the one you want, download it and go to Hedra. An alternative you guys can use for ElevenLabs is Minimax Audio or Google AI Studio and use Google Text-to-Speech. I'll have a video where I used it below. All right, let's jump into Hedra. I'm just running through my process real quick. This isn't a slowed down tutorial. This is for the folks who just want to see how I do things. I'll drop videos in the description with full, detailed walkthroughs of these systems. And if you have questions, you already know the deal. If you're part of the Royal Fam, you know I answer every single comment. Once you're in Hedra, go to the video option. Make sure you have Character 3 selected. They have a place here to enter your image and upload your audio. Under Add Character, click on Upload. Under Add Speech, click on the upload icon and grab your audio. Now you can make your audio here in Hedra. Hedra is powered by ElevenLabs. I don't give it any prompts. I make sure my ratio is correct and hit Generate. Takes about 2 or 3 minutes to generate. Let me show you what we got. All right, Royal Fam, this is a quick sample so you can see how Hedra brings the avatar to life. This is audio I generated in ElevenLabs, and in a second, you'll see it sync to the avatar. Let me know what you think. Now, when credits are running low and they took away the legacy app that was super cheap on credits, I use a video I already have, take the audio out, and take it to DreamFace. In Canva, grab an old video from Uploads, right-click and extract audio. Click on the audio and delete it. The audio we have is a little over 13 seconds, so I like to cut down the clip so the audio will not repeat itself. Then click on Share, then click on Download. I go to DreamFace, click on the Lips and Photos/Video, then upload the video. Then go to the right, click on Auto, then on Upload Audio or Video. Grab your audio. I am using that same audio. Then click on Generate, and let's see what I got. All right, Royal Fam, this is a quick sample so you can see how DreamFace with the old clip brings the avatar to life. This is audio I generated in ElevenLabs, and in a second, you'll see it sync to the avatar. Let me know what you think. There you have it. That's my whole process for creating animated avatars for YouTube videos. From Midjourney to ChatGPT, from ElevenLabs to Hedra and DreamFace. It took some trial and error, some late nights, and a whole lot of experimenting, but now I've got a system that works. Now, I shared this whole story about how I came up with my avatar because I wanted you to know I didn't just go to my computer, put in a magical prompt, and bam, there she is. No, it took a while. Take your time. The worst thing you can do is make an avatar for YouTube or your business and change it every month because you aren't happy with it. Been there, done that. So go ahead, try it out yourself, play around with it, make it your own. That's what this whole journey is about. Learn, create, and reign. The AI royal way. And hey, if you want to watch more helpful videos like this, click the video on the screen for my playlist. I've got a whole masterclass waiting for you. Let's keep building together.